Hi there. Hello.
Oh, hi. Hello. Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm your new neighbor. I just moved in next door.
Really? Wow, that's great. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
So, when did you move in?
Just yesterday. I still have boxes everywhere. It looks like a storage room.
Oh, yeah, moving is crazy. So many boxes, so much cleaning.
Tell me about it. I opened one box and it was just socks. Only socks.
Only socks.
Yeah, I was like, why do I have so many socks?
Maybe you're a secret sock collector.
Don't tell anyone. It's my secret superpower.
Okay, okay, I won't tell.
So, I'm new here. I don't really know this area.
Oh, where did you live before?
I lived in Chicago. It's a big city. A little too loud for me.
Oh, wow. Yeah, Chicago is huge. So, why did you move?
I wanted a quieter place and a fresh start. New job, new people, new everything.
That sounds exciting.
It is exciting, but also scary. Just a little.
Yeah, I get that. Change is always scary at first. But you'll love this neighborhood. People here are friendly.
That's good to hear.
And we have the best coffee shop, just 2 blocks away.
Ooh, now that's important. Coffee is my life.
Same.
So, how long have you lived here, Emma?
Hmm, let me think. Maybe 3 years?
Oh, nice. So you know everything here.
Not everything, but I can help you with a lot.
Really? That's great. I need all the help I can get.
So, do you live alone?
Yes, just me. No roommates, no pets. What about you?
I live with my cat, Luna.
A cat. Cute.
Yeah, she is the queen of the house.
I want to meet her, but maybe she won't like me. Cats sometimes look at me like I'm the enemy.
Yeah, cats are funny. They judge you.
Exactly. They stare like, who is this strange human?
Yes, Luna does that too.
So what do you do, Emma?
I'm a teacher. I teach kids, 6-year-olds.
Wow, that sounds fun and also difficult.
Oh, yes, both. Kids have a lot of energy. Every day is like a roller coaster.
I can imagine.
And you, what's your job?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
That sounds nice. Creative.
Yeah, I love drawing and designing things, but sometimes working from home is lonely.
Aw, well, now you have a neighbor.
A friendly neighbor, that makes me happy.
And if you need anything, you can knock on my door. Sugar, salt, tape, a screwdriver, anything.
Aw, thanks. I will. And if you ever need help with, um, designing socks, call me.
Deal.
But seriously, thank you. I really appreciate that.
Moving is hard, and meeting new people makes it easier.
Yeah, when you don't know anyone, everything feels bigger, more difficult.
I totally get that. When I moved here, I cried the first night.
Really?
Yeah, I felt alone. But then a neighbor brought cookies, and I felt home.
Wow, that's so sweet.
So I don't have cookies right now, but I do have water.
Oh my goodness, you are so kind.
Hey, it's good water.
You know, this reminds me of something funny.
Oh, tell me.
When I was a kid, my family moved to a new place. I wanted to introduce myself to the neighbor, so I knocked on the door, and a huge dog jumped at the window.
Ah!
I screamed and ran all the way home.
Oh no, poor John.
Yeah, and everyone saw it. It was embarrassing.
Dogs are scary when you don't expect them.
Exactly. That's why I'm happy Luna is a cat.
So, what do you like to do for fun? Any hobbies?
I like cooking and watching movies and sleeping.
Sleeping is very important. I love sleeping too.
Yes, sleep is the best hobby in the world.
What kind of movies do you like?
Funny movies, comedies, something that makes me laugh.
Same here. Life is already serious. We need more laughs.
That's true. And this conversation is making me laugh a lot.
Me too. It's a good start.
Maybe one day we can watch a movie together.
That sounds fun. Let's do that.
And maybe you can show me more places around the neighborhood.
Of course. We can go to the coffee shop or the park or the library.
I like all those things. It's a plan.
Yay! New friends.
Yes, new friends. I'm happy.
So, once again, welcome to the neighborhood. If you need anything,
I can knock on your door.
exactly.
And if you need help,
I can knock on your door.
thank you again, Emma. I feel better now. I feel like I really belong here.
You do belong here. Everyone belongs somewhere. And now, you belong here.
That's really nice. Thank you.
Anytime. Oh, before you go, here's my phone number. Now we are officially neighbors and friends.
Awesome. I'll message you when I finish organizing my sock boxes.
Yes, I must see the famous sock collection.
Okay, I'll see you soon, Emma.
See you soon, John. Welcome home.